Just over 18 months ago, I started a YouTube channel. I just started my content showing people how they can make money online, doing different side hustles or having a second income to boost their 9 to 5 income. I understood that with any online business, creating content was key. And so my new role as a content creator and YouTuber was launched. Of course, at first, my subscriber count was low, and that's to be expected. My first subscribers were my daughters and then my siblings. I hated talking to the camera, so I was comforted by the fact that no one was there to see me because I went faceless, and voiceover only because at least the people I loved would be kind to me. Now, just under 2 years later, although my channel is still very small, YouTube has been the best investment for me in terms of confidence and reaping rewards creatively and financially, but maybe not in the way you think. Why YouTube is important as a content creator. So, one of my goals of this video is to say a big thank you to my subscribers for your support and loyalty to me. I'm so happy and grateful to have reached my first 1,000 subscribers. So it's happy birthday to me, and a big shout out and a massive thank you to you guys for being on my team on this journey with me. It's been incredible and I'm immensely grateful to you. So happy birthday to me. My second goal is to give you a bit of a heads up so that you know what it takes, but also some motivation because it isn't as daunting as you might think. However, with all the sweat and a few tears, it has certainly been worth it for me. So let's talk about my journey. So then, my journey as a YouTuber. As I started this YouTube journey, I thought I had a lot of things going against me. As you can see, I'm not your typical YouTuber. I'm not in my 20s, 30s or 40-something either. By nature, I am an introvert. I really don't like talking on camera, and I knew nothing about videos. I had my laptop and an old Android phone, and my knowledge of video editing should take me anything between 1 to 2 hours max. Folks, that's what you call naive. I can only imagine you're nodding your head in agreement and you're thinking that this is you and where you're at right now. So, my first words of encouragement to you is not to let lack of knowledge stop you from starting your YouTube channel, and don't allow having any skill of video lighting or setting up equipment be a barrier to you getting started. So, as my confidence grew, I knew I could no longer hide behind a voiceover only, so I decided to show up on camera as my unique, authentic self, which for me was a very scary process. I created content that helped people in my niche grow. You might think that this is a pinnacle of my story, but hold on a minute, it's not. I learned something that is more valuable than money, so keep watching till the end. Next, the art of content creation. Let's talk about the first step. As I said before, if you want to start an online business, you have to create content. My thought is of all the social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, podcasts, blogging, YouTube is the most difficult. And it's a lot harder than using your phone to create an Instagram story. The reason I say that is YouTube requires both vision and sound. And in terms of investment, you need to put in your time, equipment, and some technical aspect, which you'll learn along the way. And there's also planning, of course. And many YouTubers start out by using their Android phone to create content. Investing in equipment will come further down the road as you grow. Another one of my goals as I started creating videos was to get a little better, just a little better with each video. This could be as simple as getting the sound right, or learning how to insert B-rolls or cut and paste in a very smooth way. These are tiny little changes, but they're obvious to no one but you or me, I think. Next, the algorithm versus authenticity. So let's talk about the algorithm versus authenticity. As you watch some of your favorite creators, you'll probably have noticed they have a distinct editing style built for their YouTube algorithm. It's fast paced because it's geared towards keeping viewers engaged and watching. However, when it comes to story-driven content, there are creators who delve deep into their personal experiences, and their videos are not rapid-paced but comforting because they focus more on telling their story and being more authentic. Next, consistency, the killer of creativity, or no? Okay. There are a lot of creators who are saying that they were leaving YouTube because the pressure of churning out videos that are not aligned with what they are doing, and because it becomes overwhelming, which is understanding. Most creators will tell you that you need to create anything between 1 and 3 videos per week, and to ensure you're posting on the same day, and so on and so forth, so that your subscribers know what to expect. This has not always been the case for me. It doesn't stop you growing, folks, as long as you keep putting out videos, putting out your content, and try and do it at least, one a week or one every other week as you start. And this is all very well and good, and you're able to keep up and not burn out. So after being faceless on YouTube after a year, I decided to show up as me. So it's either embrace me or leave me be. I'm now fairly comfortable and used to be on camera, and I've learnt some technical skills and how to be more creative. I'm still taking it slowly and enjoying the process, and to be consistent with 1 video a week that I promised myself I would make when I started. As an introvert, appearing on camera is a huge effort. So then, my approach is this. Each video I push out, I push myself to do a little bit better on the next one. So, paying attention to improving the sound lagging, graphics and editing, for me, is growth. And for me, consistency means taking baby steps and not pushing myself to make leaps that I'm not ready to take. So, by adopting this approach as a content creator, I've certainly given myself space to be more creative. And sometimes this means researching various websites and apps, writing scripts that never see the light of day, or recording videos that just sit on my SD card and that has never been watched. But that's okay, guys. So the key here is to do it, and it doesn't matter if no one sees it. I just create without the pressure of having to be anything or lead anything that I'm not, and I don't beat myself up about it. So for me, this is the beauty of YouTube. It opens you up to a whole world of creative possibilities, and this has helped me grow both as a content creator, and I've gained so much confidence. There is a point I would never be able to sit here and to do this, look in the camera, look at your faces and say, guys, thank you again for being with me on this journey. Also, as a creator, I think it's important to push yourself out of your comfort zone and experiment without worrying about what people are going to think or put yourself under undue pressure. And the key here is to show up and do the work, even if it doesn't gain the views that you would like. Next, outro. So if you want to make videos on YouTube, then just go right ahead and do it. Give yourself permission to start recording. Just aim to make videos that entertain, help, inspire, or give the solution or answer to what people's needs or their problems are. And I also think there's nothing more compelling than creators that make videos for viewers and not for themselves. So guys, just go out there and display your expertise, your authentic life, your experiences. This will be compelling and reasons for you to get subscribers that are aligned with your content and valuable to you, because they appreciate your efforts and become loyal enough to watch and support your channels. So if this is what you want to do, then go ahead and create those videos that you're excited about and you love sharing with others. Just get started. Keep moving forward. You never know where it might lead to. Again, guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey, helping me, encouraging me, subscribing, being there with me, your good comments. I'm so grateful. Please let me know in the comments what you think. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.